Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alinafe and happy new year. I know I've been away for such a long time, but I'm trying to make a comeback and I'm starting that out with this room tour. If you guys are just here for the room tour, then you can go ahead and skip to this part of the video, but if you guys want to watch the entire vlog, then let's get into it. Happy New Year! Welcome back to my channel. It has been a while. I've not filmed but I have not posted since April. I just went MIA. It was supposed to be a short break that ended up being the entire year, but I'm back. I'm back. It's the 1st of January 2024. I really said New Year's resolutions. We're back to vlogging, and the first day I'm at it. I don't know, I'm really excited for this new year. This week I will take you guys along with me. I'm on holiday. I am not working. A lot to catch you guys up on. But first, I know you guys can hear the dog barking. But first, let me go make some breakfast, get ready for the day, and then we can chat. Okay. For breakfast, we're going to make Jamaican fritters. I have a ton of bananas that will probably go bad if I don't use them. It is the next day. Yesterday, after I left the house, I got back and I was really tired. So I just unbraided my hair and slept. I want to put up paintings, not paintings, but I got these frames from Champion, right? Got these frames and then I put this artwork in there, but it's not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be in the middle. So I'm going to fix that and I'm going to put up this artwork and I'm going to show you how my room looks. It's been a while. I haven't, you guys, the place has changed so much and I am happy with how it looks. I'm going to just show you some of the stuff that I got so far, some of the things I got from Champion, or maybe I should do a separate vlog on that, like my Champion finds, because that place has really cute stuff. I'm going to fix this and put this up and then I'm going to show you guys how this place looks. It's a little crooked. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this one is not looking straight. This one's fine, but anyways, I'm too lazy to fix it again. Alright, so this is going to be the challenging part. I have to get the paintings up here, and they need to be evenly spaced out and everything. I don't have a ruler. I really don't want them to come out crooked. Okay, let's see what we can do. Hi, welcome to my room tour. So when you walk in, this is kind of like the first thing you see from the door, and I've divided my room into two sections. We have my bedroom area over here, and then we have like my living space here, and I am facing my TV. So we're gonna start in this area. Okay, so this is where I watch TV. This is the TV. I've had this for ever since 2017. So since college, I've had this TV and I love it so much. The speaker sounds really good considering it's quite old, but it sounds really good. Then we have my vase here with fake flowers. Hopefully I'm gonna have some real flowers in there, but right now it has this fake flowers. I got this from Champion. Both of these I got from Champion. Then we have just the remotes over here, and then we have this heart-shaped what's it called, jewelry holder or something. I don't know. I found this when I was thrifting when I was in college, and I've kept it since, and it has all my jewelry here and my pins. So every time I'm leaving the house, I just grab my earrings. I just grab my earrings on my way out, and my car keys as well. I've just stashed them over there. If you guys have been watching, then you know there's a video where I put up a video of how I got this dresser made. I just found the pictures on Pinterest and then sent it over to our carpenter to just build it up. It's really good, it's really efficient. It has three big drawers that keep like my pants, my shirts, and like my it's really big actually. From the side it's really wide, so it keeps a lot of things in there. I don't know about the longevity of it, but the good thing about this kind of board, if it's ripping out like the sides and everything, I can always replace it and actually put a different color and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. And then next to my TV, we just have a wardrobe, which I will not open because it's very messy right now. Like I said, I divided my room into sections. So this is basically my bedroom section. Right, so I've had these two pieces of furniture since my childhood. We have the desk here. It came with the bed. And if you watched my moving vlogs and the other vlogs, actually, you know that I had two of these beds, these single beds, but it's taking up too much space. So I settled for one single bed. Eventually, I'm going to upgrade to a bigger one, but this is what we have so far. It's a really comfortable bed. I really like it. It's going to be hard to replace it because it's really, really, really comfortable. And I've recently found out that mattresses are very expensive. So we'll see how that goes when the time comes. And then we have this desk here. This is a pretty worn out desk. If you look at it closely on top, it has a lot of stains and everything on it. I do have plans on getting it filed and revarnished and everything, but it comes with a matching chair, and I just have my lamp diffuser, my again, more jewelry, my necklace holder, but also holds like bracelets and hair ties and stuff, and a tiny mirror. And then above here we have the paintings that I just put up. Frames are from Champion, and then the pictures inside, I just went on Canva. Big inspiration from Pinterest, but I went on Canva and I made them, and I think it looks good. And I went with like the grayish woodish thing goes with the couch and the rug, and then the brown goes with the bedroom area. And now we're in my living room. Alright, so this is a new addition that I haven't filmed yet. This is a very old couch that I found on Facebook Marketplace. Someone in my area was selling it. It was very cheap, and I needed a couch immediately because people would come over and they didn't know where to sit. I had like beds and everything, so people had no place to sit, and I wanted like an area where I could also sit, feel like I'm separating the two areas, like a bedroom area and like a living space area where I can sit after work and just chill and watch a movie. And I just put so many pillows on it. All these pillows that you see in this video, apart from my long bed pillows, all these pillows are from Dab, guys. So Dab is the plug for pillows. They really have, if you're lucky, you can really find some cute pillows. 2 matching set pillows, and then these random pillows there just to go with the theme as well. Yellow and brown. And then we have the grey couch. So I got an ottoman done for my grey couch because it is pretty small. I am short, but it is pretty small, and I needed like to put my legs up when I'm watching a movie, or even use it like as a coffee table type of thing. So I got this made by Curtain Kings. I really like it, nice and grey, and it's pretty big and heavy, so I think it's gonna last a while. And now I can lounge here, I can nap here. I almost forgot to show you guys my rug. I've had this is one of the first things I moved in with, actually. So I've had this ever since. It's still holding on well. At the time I bought it at City Mall, the grocery store at City Mall. But yeah, so that is my room tour. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for coming along with me on this journey. This space is completely transformed, but this is how it's looking like. I'm gonna upgrade it little by little as we go on, but I really like the space. It's really open, it's really functional. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you guys. Comment down below some of the items that you really liked from this room, and some of the things that you don't like from the room. But yeah, hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one.